Hi, my name is Khalid Jamal and I'm from Sharjah American International School. Today I'm going to talk about trigonometric ratios. The objectives of this lesson are find the sine, cosine, and tangent of an acute angle. I'm going to tell you about the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. The sine of an angle is the ratio of the length of the leg opposite the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. To find sine A, for example, is opposite leg over hypotenuse is equal to A over C. Sine B is equal to opposite leg over hypotenuse it's the same thing, and it's equal to B over C. The cosine of an angle is the ratio of the length of the leg adjacent to the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. So adjacent leg over hypotenuse to find cosine of A, and the same for B. The tangent of an angle is the ratio of the length of the leg opposite the angle to the length of the leg adjacent to the angle, and that is opposite leg over adjacent leg, and so for B. Thank you.
Hello,
Hi.
ladies
Yeah,
and gentlemen. I'm Bigan Mustafa from Sharjah American International School, Dubai branch. Today, I'm doing my project about experimental probability. The objectives I'm going to discuss today are determining the experimental probability of an event and using experimental probability to make predictions. An experiment is an activity involving chance. Each repetition or doing of the experiment is a trial, and each possible result is the outcome. The sample space of an experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. As you see, I have the Holt Algebra 1 book with me, which I'm gonna get examples for you from. Identifying the sample spaces and outcomes. Tossing two coins. For example, if I have two coins, the sample space is heads and heads, heads and tails, tails and heads, and tails and tails. The outcome shown in my book is heads and tails, which is 1 over 4, 1 out of the 4 possibilities. For example, spinning a game spinner that has 4 colors, the chance of getting the probability of getting a color is 1 over 4, as it is one color out of 4 colors. An event is an outcome or set of outcomes. Probability is how likely an event is to occur. If an event's probability to occur is 0%, it is impossible. It's called impossible. And if the event's probability is from 1% to 49%, it's unlikely to occur. If it's 50%, it's as likely as not to occur. From 51% to 99%, it's likely to occur, and at 100%, it's called certain. Estimating the likelihood of an event. There are 31 days in August. August always has 31 days, so this event is certain. Carlos correctly guesses a number between 1 and 1000. This event is unlikely, as it's not impossible for Carlos to guess it right, but it's called unlikely because most probably he won't answer it correctly. A coin lands heads up. Heads is one of 2 possibilities, which makes it a 50% chance, which is called as likely as not. Cecilia rolls a 10 on a standard number cube. This event is impossible, as the standard number cube has numbers from 1 till 6. So this event is called impossible, as it will not occur.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Arab from Sharjah American International School, grade 9B. Today I have my math project to present it to you. My math project talks about factors and greatest common factors. My objectives are writing the prime factorization of numbers and finding the GCF of monomials. The greatest common factor is the highest common factor between two numbers. The easiest way to find the GCF, which is the greatest common factor, is by writing down all of the multiplications of the two numbers and see the highest one in common. Today I got you 2 examples. To find the GCF, 24 and 32. The GCF is 8. The other example is finding GCF of monomials. 3x to the power of 3 and 6x to the power of 2. The GCF of 3 and 6 is 3. X to the power of 3 means x times x times x. X to the power of 2 means x times x. Because the biggest amount of the x's is 2 x's, which means x to the power of 2, the GCF is 3x2 to the power of 2. And thank you. Goodbye.
كوكا كولا عالم أحلى.
أول شيء في صحة البروجكت.
إيه شبيت مواليد.